Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. So today I would like to share with you why do Malaysian lacks sleep. I think before I go and explain about this topic, I would like to share with you about one thing that I just done my studies a few minutes ago. I think a few minutes ago. So um, did you know about the statistic in Malaysia that says 51% of workers in our country experience at least one dimension of stress involved their job, including in-service sleep. So I think from this we can see that our nation is workaholic. So it's very not good because if you see that workaholic is not a good time management that they use. So before we go to the thing that will be happen or what why it happened, I think you must know about the time that must Edward have a sleep per night. So the number of hours of sleep a person needed depends on their age group. I think in general, it is recommended that adults must have a sleep uh, 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. So, however, one of study that I think just happened in Malaysia says that in Malaysia the average of hours sleeps in Malaysians is 6.4 hours. So it is very not good to the long term of healthy. But if you calculate in a week, one person just sleep by 11.2 hours a week. It just a week. If months, it's years, who knows? So before it, we something bad just happened to ourselves. So we have chance to change ourselves. So um, before I go so far, my name is Muhammad Azfar bin Razli, and I'm from EE 2423F. Okay, there is three things that I think it is important to share with you about why do Malaysian lacks sleeps. So first thing first, it is mobile advice. Mobile advice, if you can see, mobile advice is a very dangerous thing today. Not just adult, not just for adult, but to young people or child. The mobile advice is very very dangerous because of them. Because of it, them will be waste their time from study, left your sleeps, left their sleeps, and had I think like habit. If just open your eyes at the morning, just get a mobile device and play video game, and play something that I think just waste their time. Not we um not suppose them to go in that way. So I think it is the first. Okay, the second thing is internet addiction. Internet addiction is, if you can see, people nowadays want to know about something just viral in media social, not in television like see the bulletin Awani or bulletin TV3 or that kind of bulletin. No, they just read in their phone. So just read in internet, find it in Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. So in that platform is very very good, but you must know if the thing will be happen and go in a wrong way, it will not good for themselves. So not just in internet addiction. Internet addiction, I think the mains because from mobiles, I think nowadays didn't have mobile, have no internet connection. So internet connection is the dangerous. Mobile without internet connection is good because it will be one of connection of maybe confalls in siblings who uh, stay far away from them. So it is very good. But in internet, we do the wrong thing. So from that, it will lack sleeps. Okay, and the important thing I think personal and work responsibility. I know in pandemic COVID-19, every families struggle to get their to save or to generate income to your family to their family, but the thing that you must understand is about responsibility. If you take a responsibility to the your family first, it's good. But if you lack sleep, you do the works so many and it will lack your sleep. One day, in long term, you can be sick, and who can take your responsibility for your family? So you must thinking wisely. If you work smart and have a time management, good in time management, and you can do your you can take your responsibility to your family from now and until I think until you have until you die. I think. But if you not have a good enough sleep and just take care about the family, just take care about um, your child, yourself will be sick one day, and who want to take responsibility to your family? So you must take it wisely. So I think that there is three main for why do Malaysian lack sleep that I just share with you. So I think um, it is good for us. And before we change our environment, we change ourselves first. So thank you and assalamualaikum.